Girls, great news. There's a... Whoa, whoa! You're upside down.
Hang on, I think I got it fixed. And go.
Buckle up, you can chuckle, but you better buckle. Buckle up. Cricket, everybody buckle up. Buckle up, buckle up, buckle up. You can chuckle, but you better buckle. Buckle up. Cricket, everybody buckle up. Buckle up the front seat, buckle up the back seat.
Make sure that seatbelt fits tight.
Buckle up, everyone, that means you. And we'll be safe, alright. Alright. When we're driving in our car, whether it's day or night, doesn't matter if we're going far.
When we're buckled up, it just feels right.
Buckle up, buckle up, buckle up. You can chuckle, but you better buckle. Buckle up. Cricket, everybody buckle up. Buckle up, buckle up, buckle up. You can chuckle, but you better buckle. Buckle up. Cricket, everybody buckle up. When I'm on a plane and I'm ready to fly, or see my friends in a car go by,
Everybody with a little bit of luck will
buckle up their seatbelts. Hockey jocks for the pack will buckle.
great big guys in a big trouble buckle.
And you can chuckle, but even duck will buckle up. Buckle up, buckle up, buckle up. You can chuckle, but you better buckle. Buckle up. Cricket, everybody buckle up. Buckle up, buckle up, buckle up. You can chuckle, but you better buckle. Buckle up. Cricket, everybody buckle up. Buckle up, buckle up, buckle up. You can chuckle, but you